Morning everyone. I welcome you in today's lesson. In today's lesson we learn German article. Der die das. In German every noun has the article like masculine, feminine, neutral, and we call it der die das as per the case. So let's see where we found a masculine article, how we recognize that article is feminine, and how we recognize the article is neutral. So masculine person and Zeichnungen means male person like father, uncle, doctor. If male doctor, then is Arzt. Then is masculine. Jahrzeiten, Monate, Tage, Tagezeiten. Jahrzeitens years time like seasons, months, days, and part of the day. All are the masculine. And but here we have an exception is Nacht, night. Night is feminine. Alkoholische Getränke, alcoholical drinks that are masculine, but here beer we have as an exception is neutral. Automarken, car companies are masculine, and here there are some adding like the word and with any noun and with ich, ig, ling, ism that all are masculine, and most noun ending with er is also masculine, but we have some exceptions like the Butter, the Fenster, the Lighter, the Mutter. These all are the example of masculine. Now we have a feminine. Personen und Tierzeichnung. All the female person like mother, Mutter, Schwester, a female profession like pilotin, and the Kuh, cow. But here we have one exception, Mädchen. Mädchen is a small girl, but it has the article neutral. Many flowers and trees are also feminine. We have seen the car companies are masculine, but the bike companies are feminine. And many nouns which end with e is feminine, but we have some exception also like their Name, their Buchstabe, das Auge, das Ende. And these all are the ending that we have for feminine, like the noun end with ung, heit, keit, shaft, ei, all are feminine. Neutral. Any noun that is from the verb as it is, then is neutral, like essen, das essen. Same as it is है तो वो neutral है. Any word that start with the ge that are neutral, but in 99% cases like we have exception like the Gesundheit, the Gebühr, there are exceptions. And with these ending we follow the neutral article. If the noun end with ma, line, and if the noun end with o, then it's 80% is neutral. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write. Have a nice day.